Hey there, welcome back to channel. Do you know you can easily share links, photo, video and more without using Bluetooth and share it? Just use nearby share on Android. How it's work? So let's find out in this video. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. So guys, start the video. So at first you have to turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location both device. Then select any photo and video. Next click share button and choose nearby share. Then your second device got a notification. Tap here and your first device show a new device. Click here. Next click accept your second device. So as you can see that your nearby sharing is started. So using nearby share you can easily transfer your photo, video and more. So this is all about today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. And I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.